Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing every cable now. That prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, flip the console and remove the external screws with a Torx T8, then pry open the plastic clips carefully with a spudger. You do this because internal clips break if forced. Gentle, steady pressure protects the shell. Make sure to keep screws organized and note the shield location. You will need those exact parts when reassembling. Once the case is open, remove the metal shield to expose the main board, unscrew the bracket, and carefully release the flat ribbon cables. These are fragile and control video signals. You then remove the HDMI daughter board either by unscrewing or desoldering its connectors. Do this to prevent heat damage. Install the replacement by aligning its pins and either soldering securely or snapping it into place, because a loose joint causes signal loss. Reconnect all ribbons before testing. You now reattach the metal shield and carefully close the case, making sure every ribbon cable is seated and the clips are locked. This avoids intermittent faults. Once reassembled, connect power and HDMI and boot to test a 1080p or 4K output. Look for stable image and audio. If it fails, power down, reset cables, inspect solder joints for cold joints, and try a different cable or TV. That single troubleshooting step catches most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.